Horses out, Bassett coming past the begin, moving a party out, so now is Dagat, Dagaran Kid. Miss Pangaw in the middle portion, run like the wind, amazing pace. Then followed over by number 6, and that's Real Heaven. Then next on line is number 3, Perfection, Bonjour, second last, and Murcielago is the early trailer going along for the first turn. Dagat, Dagatan Kid by about 2 lengths. As it coming in second, moving up now to take third, Miss Pangawa. Amazing pace is racing in fourth, moving up by the Perfection. Alongside 6, Run Like the Wind, then followed over by Real Heaven. Bonjour second last, and Murcielago still racing in last. And it's still Dagaran Kid by about 2 lengths. Miss Pangaw now moving a party outside second. Amazing pace in third as it coming. Then followed by Perfection. Miss Pangaw takes the lead, running by the release Dagaran Kid. Amazing pace, racing in third, moving up now in fourth, Perfection. Miss Pangaw this time by about 2 lengths. And in second, Dagaran Kid moving up, Perfection on the outside third. As they come down at the last 150. Miss Pangaw still in front by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outside, Perfection, Dagaran Kid. Miss Pangaw, Perfection is on the outside. Miss Pangaw, Perfection is on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be close finish. Miss Pangaw, Perfection, then comes Dagaran Kid, amazing pace. Parang